offer a breakdown service for industry. We do industrial automation spare parts and repairs and on-site work as well.
It's keeping automated factories up and running. If anything electronic fails, getting spares is difficult. So not only can they send stuff to us to repair, we can also potentially send them a replacement unit instead.
As much as we've got a lot of our long-standing customers from the local area, we ship worldwide.
We have 6 different language speakers on our sales team, and the website's also translated into 6 different languages.
Allô, Monsieur Thomas Briand?
Guten Tag, David Jones.
Northern Industrial, buenas tardes.
We're a stable company, we've been going for 40 years, and you know what you get with us: a friendly service, a helpful service.
I think we've got a really friendly, approachable team, whether or not it's over the phone or a customer comes to site.
Over 15 years that I've worked here, we've grown to have around 90 members of staff. Still do have a lot of family sort of like values about the company.
So I think if we can just carry on doing what we do, which is being honest with ourselves and honest with the customers and always trying to push ourselves, I think the sky's the limit really.
Not everyone can do what we can do. They haven't got the expertise that we've got. We've come across everything really, and we've turned our hand to all of them.